Hi, my name's John. Welcome back to the shop. Today the plan is to mount the seat and get the exhaust on, get the fuel pump plumbed in, wired up, get us started and tackle a bit of wiring. I'd like to get rid of the wire end loom to do with the ABS, since I've deleted the ABS and connected the brake muss and directly to the calipers. I'll get you onto time lapse and get going. Is to try and use these factory mounts from the seat to hold down the seat on the front and then figure out a clamping method at the back. So I'll get on with that. Mounts, I just moved the mounting points and it works quite well. And next I think I'm going to chop this back here, tidy this up, and I'm going to try bend this arm up to triangulate it here, clean off the pillion pegs, etc. Be back on time lapse. That's the ABS loom removed and the speed sensors for the front wheel and the Hall effect sensor. This cog that the Hall effect sensor reads is still on there. I'll remove that when I take it to the front wheel. I've taken off these instrument bits. I'm planning to replace the LEDs for the main beam, neutral and indicators, which I'll just mount onto the dash. But this isn't needed anymore, and nor is the fuel level indicator and the gear shift indicator. I'd like to have a gear shift indicator, but I can't figure out how the BMW one works. It seems to have some kind of weird signal. It doesn't have a signal for each gear. It seems to be some kind of binary they're using on 4 wires, I think. So that gives me a couple of options here. So let's remove. What my plan at the moment is to try and remove the loom, take it off the bike.
frame chopped back, welded on.
So this is the fuel tank I've got. It's just an inline pump, high pressure, that will replace the standard pump in the BMW fuel tank. So I'll connect pressure regulator and get the exhaust on, see if we can get that fired up.
Okay, I've got fuel in, I've wired up with the battery. Hopefully I've wired up enough of the dash actually. Hopefully I've got the temp sensors all in the right place. We'll find out later. It's easy enough to move them around. I'm not going to shorten those leads, I'll just loom them up. But good to know that the pump's working with the fuel tank instead of using the original pump, and with the loop back with the resistor that I did with the level indicator to trick the ECU to think there's fuel in the tank even though there's no level indicator. And being that I've taken off part of the loom, it's always nice to know it works. But yeah, that'll do for now. Okay, well that's a whole load of wiring, load of loom removed from there. I've started wiring it back into the old fuse box and started wrapping it up and looming it up again. Still a hell of a lot of wiring to go yet. I think it's enough time lapse for everybody there. Just getting this wiring loom into some kind of shape. Still lots of work to do on the loom. Still got to wire in all the new stuff, the lights, front and rear indicators. Still waiting for some stuff to come in from China. Got a few earths to do, and I've got to figure out something with the battery, but the wiring's getting there. Anyway, until next time, keep safe and see you again soon.